Good morning, my dear students. Class, in last video, I have told you till question number 8. Today, I will go with question number 9 and some more important questions. Every question we will not discuss, some you have to do yourself. So, class, let's start with it. So, class, the question says there is a box. Question says there is a box which contain 5 red, 8 white and 4 green color marbles, and one marble is taken out. What is the probability that will be red, white or not green? So class, how we are going to do this? First of all, we have to calculate total number of marbles, that is 5 plus 4, 8 plus 4. Now the first question asked is red color. So red color is how much? 5 out of 17. So class, favorable event is this, and out of how many possible event, that is 17, that is event upon sample space. So this is the way to write number of favorable outcome, number of possible outcome. This is the way, or directly you can write number of event upon number of sample space. Similarly, rest of the parts you can do. So the next part is white color. White color is 8 in numbers, total 17. Now last question is asked not green. Not green means green is how many? 4. Total is 17. So not green is how much? 17 minus 4, that is 13. So 13 upon 17 directly we can do. Here what they did, they have done first of all number of green, after that not green. For not green, that आने का और नहीं आने का मिलाकर equal to 1. So this we know and we can take out this. So by this method they have done. Next question. Next question is a piggy bank is having 50 paisa coin, 100 50 paisa coin and 50 1 rupee coin and 20 coins are of 2 rupees coin, rupees 2. So total we have to calculate again, that's and one more is there, that is 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin are 10 in numbers, rupees 5. So if we will see with the total, then it is 180. First thing that we have to do. After that we have to get the probability of 50 paisa coin. So 50 paisa coin are how much? It is 100 in number. So overall, if we talk about the probability, it will be 50 paisa coin is 100, so 100 upon 180. Solve it and you will get 5 upon 9. Similarly, other part you can do yourself. Next. Your next question is, Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. Shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male and 8 female fishes. What is the probability that taken out is the male fish? So how many male fish are there? 5 out of 5 plus 8, that is 13. So simple question it is. Next it says a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers. So this is the game, and in this there are the number from 1 to 8. What is the probability of getting 8? 8 is a single number here. Single number means number of event is 1 and total is 8, so 1 upon 8. Odd number, there are 4 odd numbers, so 4 upon 8. Like this you have to do these questions. Greater than 2, greater than 2 is 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is 6 upon 8. And talking about less than 9, all are less than 9, so 8 upon 8, so that is equals to 1. Next question is very important question, class. Dice problem. So die say a die is thrown once. Okay, this is a easy question. Die thrown once, so possibility will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now question is prime number. So how many prime number is there? 2 3 5. 2 3 and 5. These are the prime number, 2 3 and 5. So probability will be, how many prime number are there? 3. Total are 6. So 3 upon 6. Same as the other questions, other parts. Next question is a important one, that is a card one. 52 cards are there. First question is asked, king of red color. Red color, king is 2 in number out of 52. Number 1, done. Second is face card. Face card, I have told you, king, queen and jack. So these are 4 in number, this is 4 in number and this is 4 in number. So overall it is 12. So 12 upon 52. Total cards are 52. Next says red face card. Red face cards, red color means heart and diamond. So 3 face card of heart and 3 face card of diamond. So overall 6 upon 52. This is the answer. And same as the question is asked for spade. Spade are 13 in number out of 52. So 1 upon 4 is the answer. Last is the queen of diamond. Queen of diamond is only 1. Diamond are 13 in number and out of that 1 is queen. So queen is 1 out of 52. Overall 52 cards are there. We have to see from overall. Next is again of this only card question, so no need, I am not explaining this. Next is a good question. It says there are 12 defective. It says there are 12 defective ones and pens and 132 good one are mixed together. So what, it is not possible to just look at the pen and tell whether it is defective or not. One pen is taken out from the slot. Determine the probability that pen taken out is the good one. So class, overall pen is how many in number? If we say it is 144 in number, 132 plus 12, and good ones are 132. So this is the probability. You cancel it out and you will get 11 upon 12. Next. This one is quite good question. First question is very easy part. 20 bulbs contain 4 defective bulbs. A bulb is drawn at a random. What is the probability that the bulb is defective bulb? So defective bulbs are 4 out of 20. Simple answer. But if we talk about the second part of it, it says supposing that the bulb taken out is not defective and is not replaced. Not replaced का मतलब दोबारा नहीं रखा गया. Not defective मतलब सही है वो. तो how many good bulbs are there? 16. One is taken out. So how many bulbs left? 15 good ones left. 15 good one left. And in total bulbs are 20 in number. Out of 20, 1 is taken out. So how many left? 19. So probability will be 15 upon 19, because they have asked not defective. Not defective are 15 in number and total are 19 in number. So this question you see is properly. This is quite confusing question actually. In first part it is asked defective and second part it says कि अगर वो defective नहीं है तब क्या probability होगी not defective वाले की. So it is a confusing question class. So I consider this as a very important question also. In board also it has come once. Now next is a box contain 90 dice which are numbered from 1 to 90. One die is taken out at a random. What is the probability that it bears a 2-digit number? So class, from 1 to 90, 2-digit numbers start from 10 and it goes till 90. So if we calculate 1 to 9 is not a 2-digit number, so subtracting 1 to 9, that is 9 is subtracted, it is 81. So 81 upon 90 is the answer. If we say perfect square, 1 is the perfect square, 4 is the perfect square, 9 is the perfect square, 16 is the perfect square, and so on till 81. So these are 9 in number. 9 upon 90. Answer of second part, perfect square. They are asking what is the probability of the box contains the perfect square numbers. So perfect square number from 1 to 90 are 9 in numbers. Last is divisible by 5. So how many numbers from 1 to 90 will be divisible by 5? 5, 10, 15. If you will calculate, it will be 18 out of 90. So this is the way you will do. Next question. Next question says a child has a die with the face. These are the following faces: A, B, C, D, E, A. Now question asked is A. What is the probability of getting A? How many A are there? 2 A's are there. So 2 upon 6. D. Only one D is there. So 1 upon 6. So 2 different probability and 2 different answers. Now class, this is also one of the good important question. It says there is a rectangle with the side 3 and 2. There is a circle of diameter 1, that is radius 0.5. What is the probability that if we put this circle, it should fall inside it? So class, in this, fall inside it means they are talking about the area. So area of circle upon area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, you know, length into breadth, that is 3 into 2. Area of circle is pi r square. So class, pi r square upon length into breadth. This is the answer. Now next is same as defective one and not defective. This is the same question that we have already done. So no need to do this question. This is quite different question. 2 dice, one blue and one grey, are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcome to complete the following. So class, in this diagram is not complete. Actually it is written 2, sum of the 2 dice, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So class, sum can be 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, till 12 it will go, because if both the dice result 6 and 6, so it will be 12. So class, in this way, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4, 4. So in this way we will take out all. And finally, if I talk about what is the probability of getting 2 sum as 2, it will be 1 upon 36, because in if we say 2 dice system, total outcome is 36 and sum is 1, sum is 2, so 2 will come only when both are having 1. Similarly for the rest. Similarly for the rest we will do. So class, you try this question and I finished my class, and let's complete the chapter today, and you send me the notes. That's all class.